stop translating in your head. Yes, stop it. If you still think in your native language first and then translate into English, that is the reason your English feels slow. But imagine this. What if English came to your mind automatically? What if you could speak without fear, without stopping, without searching for words? Today, I will teach you how to think in English. And this one habit can completely change your fluency. So stay with me until the end, because I will also give you a simple daily plan. And if you truly want to improve your English, make sure you subscribe to English Elevation, because we are growing together. Why thinking in English is important. Let me ask you something. When a baby learns a language, do they translate? No, they connect words directly to meaning. But many English learners translate like this. Native language, English, speak. This takes time. This creates fear. This reduces confidence. If you start thinking directly in English, speak, you become faster, more natural, more confident. And confidence is everything in language learning. Simple lesson, 3 easy techniques. Now let's learn how. Technique 1, name everything around you. Look around you right now. Table, phone, door, window, light. Say them in English. Now make small sentences. The door is open. My phone is on the table. The room is quiet. This trains your brain. Do this every day for 5 minutes. Technique 2, talk to yourself. Yes, and talk to yourself. When you wake up, say, I am feeling sleepy. Today will be a productive day. I need to finish my work. When you cook, I am cutting vegetables. The food smells good. Simple sentences, no pressure. No grammar stress. Just thinking in English. Technique 3, daily English planning. Every morning, plan your day in English. For example, first I will go to work. Then I will study English for 30 minutes. In the evening, I will exercise. This is powerful because planning connects language with real life. And when language becomes part of life, fluency grows naturally. English Improvement Plan. Here is a simple daily plan. 10 minutes listening, podcast or video. 10 minutes speaking, self-talk or shadowing. 10 minutes thinking in English. 10 minutes reading something simple. Only 40 minutes a day. No excuses. Consistency is more important than talent. If you do this for 30 days, you will see change. Small steps every day create big results. Listen carefully. Fluency is not magic. It is practice. You are not bad at English. You are just not practicing the right way. Do not compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to yesterday. Every time you try to think in English, your brain becomes stronger. And remember, fear disappears when practice increases. Now I want you to comment below. When will you start thinking in English? Today? Tomorrow? Or next month? Write, I start today. And if this episode helped you, share it with one friend who wants to improve English. Let's grow together. If you want more simple, powerful English lessons like this, subscribe to English Elevation. We are building confidence. We are building fluency. We are building a better future. One sentence at a time. Remember, do not translate. Think in English. Live in English. And I will see you in the next episode. Keep rising.